written a long time ago. Nar a bhíonn fiaréantacht sa chraí bíonn áileacht sa duine. Nar a bhíonn áileacht sa duine bíonn suaimhne sa maile. Nar a bhíonn suaimhne sa maile bíonn ord sa náisiún. Nar a bhíonn ord sa náisiún bíonn síocháin sa domhan. Where there's righteousness in the heart, there's beauty in the character. When there's beauty in the character, there's peace in the home. When there's peace in the home, there's order in the nation. And when there's order in the nation, there's peace in the world.
Down by the Glenside, I met an old woman out plucking young nettles. She ne'er saw me coming. I listened a while to the song she was humming. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian men. 'Tis 50 long years since I saw the moon beaming on strong manly forms, on eyes with hope gleaming. I see them again through all my sad dreaming. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian men. When I was a girl, they're marching and drilling awake in the Glenside. Sounds awesome and thrilling. Some died mid the stranger, and wise men have told me their cause was a failure, but they loved poor old Ireland, and they never feared danger. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian men. I passed on my way. God be praised that I met her. Be my life long or short, I will never forget her. We may have good men, but we'll never have better. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian Gloria, Gloria to the bold Fenian man. Gloria, Gloria to the bold Fenian man. Gloria,